Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, welcome. I am happy to have you. Y'all know I love me some renter friendly solutions, and in doing my research I discovered that there is such a thing as peel and stick wood panels. I'm super excited because I got a chance to partner with Wallplanks to actually create this accent wall, and I'm also going to be using these same planks to create some DIY floating shelves on another wall. In short, Wallplanks is a US based company that creates self-adhesive or peel and stick wood panels. If you're not familiar with the One Room Challenge, I will leave a link in the description box and above with the playlist. Basically, every time I update it from each week, you'll be able to find all the videos there. And also in the description box, you'll find a link to my full blog post as well as to all the other guest participants. Thank you again for hanging out with me today, for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, do so, because I share a lot more real time with my stories. The full blog post kind of getting inside my head, breaking this all down. I will link that again in the description box down below, as well as the link to all the other guest participants for the One Room Challenge. And if you just like hanging out with me, be sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next update. Bye.